Daai is waterseepies bokke.
So tell me, what's going on with you in the dating world? Because I haven't really seen you in a while. I need to get the gossip.
Yeah, well, I'm talking to somebody.
I'm
O
talking.
jete, wat is 'n silly kat, nê?
Really down to earth.
Did you think he cute?
Jy ons nog gesien hoe om 'n kraan op te maak.
I love it.
But enough about me. What's going on with Kay?
Oh, girl.
Girl, don't even get into that. Help us,
Me and Kenny are not together. I thought that I could balance like work and a relationship. That was my whole struggle. But you know, with his schedule and my schedule, it just didn't really work like that. So
The door's not still halfway open.
no, it's closed. It's closed. The door's closed.
I'm so glad I got to change that.
Nee, dis mamma se tandeborsel.
And the network allowed us to do it. That's what I'm really happy about.
Yeah, you know, it's good that they're a little bit flexible because we just got new promos, and so they don't want me to look too different. Yeah, we have a new traffic reporter for our morning.
Oh, that really cute.
Yeah.
Cute, yeah.
When do they come out? Soon?
Oh, very soon.
I'm excited.
They just want to get the word out about the new morning team and
And it's a good looking team.
Yeah, I will let them know, and I'll let Kai know she has a new man.
Exactly. Well, look how cute your hair looks. I love it.
Thanks,
Oh,
baby.
thank you. All the kudos goes to this man right here.
Jy gaan afval, nê?
Good seeing you.
AJ Salon has a lot of momentum right now. And hearing Michelle talk about the promos she's recently worked on got my marketing wheels turning.
Her hair looks amazing.
Her hair looks really amazing. But you know what? Not only does her hair look amazing, she just gave me a fabulous idea. Okay, so you know it's been a while since
Nee.
for the salon since the airline.
Nee.
Right.
So I'm thinking
Wat is
we
dit?
need to do something more. We need to actually do some more advertising.
I mean, true enough. I know that airline ad did bring us a lot of money, generate a lot of business. That's true. But I don't want to do another ad again.
Jy gaan gly.
A promo.
Jy wil gly jou voete op.
Like something major, something big.
Okay.
Ag nee.
Like, you gotta get some money out to make some money.
Daar gaan mamma se seep.
And we've never done a commercial before. Besides, it's the perfect time to do something like this. Following up more in this way, here it is.
Stuit gaan kat.